The 2026 Money Map, your step-by-step guide to financial clarity. Raise your hand if this sounds familiar. You know you should be saving for a house, a retirement, or just a killer vacation, but when you sit down to actually plan it, your brain just goes static. Is it even possible with inflation? Where do you even start? What if you get it wrong? Well, what if I told you that by the end of this video, you will have a crystal clear, personalized, and actually achievable financial plan for 2026? Not just vague ideas, but real numbers and real steps. Let us build your 2026 money map together. You cannot map a route if you do not know your starting point. So, step 1 is not about the future, but it is about a fearless, no-judgment look at your financial present. Step 1. The financial snapshot. Grab a notebook or open a spreadsheet. We are finding 3 key numbers. Number 1. Your net worth. Assets minus liabilities. What you own minus what you owe. This is not about being rich, it is a benchmark. It is your financial GPS coordinates right now. Number 2. Your cash flow. Where are all the dollars actually going? For the next 30 days, I challenge you to track every single expense. Not to restrict you, but to reveal your money story. You will find your money leaks, those subscriptions you do not use, that daily coffee run that adds up. Number 3. Your debt details. List every debt, balance, interest rate, minimum payment. This is your financial friction. The goal here is to reduce this friction in 2026. This is not about shame. It is about data, and data sets you free. Now for the fun part. Let us define what 2026 looks like. But we have to get specific. Saving more money is a wish. Saving $5,000 for a down payment on a used car by October 2026 is a goal. I want you to categorize your goals into 3 time-based buckets. This is crucial because each bucket has a different strategy. Bucket 1. The now bucket, from 1 to 12 months. This is for emergencies, a holiday gift fund, a new laptop. These goals are about liquidity and safety. Think, high-yield savings account. Bucket 2. The soon bucket, 1 to 5 years. This is your 2026 sweet spot. A wedding, a car down payment, starting a business. This money needs to grow a little, but cannot be super risky. Bucket 3. The later bucket, 5+ years. Retirement, your child's college fund, a future dream home. This is where you harness the superpower of compound growth in the stock market. Here is your assignment. Write at least 1 goal for each bucket. Make it SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Okay, we have our goals. Now, how do we make them real? We break them down into monthly bites. This is where the magic happens. Let us take that 2026 car down payment example. Goal, $5,000 by October 2026. That is roughly 2.5 years, or 30 months. $5,000/30 months equals about $167 per month. See, a huge goal becomes a manageable monthly line item. Now, go back to your cash flow from step 1. Where can that $167 come from? Can you reduce a money leak? Can you find a side hustle for just that amount? This is about intentional trade-offs, not deprivation. The golden rule is to pay your future self first. The moment your paycheck hits, automate a transfer to your car fund savings account. If you never see it, you will never miss it. A plan is useless if it is set in stone. Life happens. So, your final step is building the containers and the reviews. Create containers and open the right accounts. A high-yield savings account for your now/soon buckets. For your later bucket, that likely means a retirement account like a 401k or Roth IRA. Use separate savings pots or accounts for different goals so you can see the progress. The review. Every single month, have a 15-minute money date with yourself or your partner. Check your progress. Celebrate wins, even $50 saved. Adjust if you need to. Your plan is a living GPS, recalculating when you take a detour. Let us recap your 2026 money map. First, know your net worth, cash flow, and debt. Second, sort goals into now, soon, and later buckets. Third, reverse engineer each goal into a monthly number. Fourth, Automate payments into the right accounts and review monthly. Your financial freedom is not a lottery ticket. It is a blueprint, and you just learned how to draw it. Start this week. Do just step 1. The momentum will build. Download a free goal planning worksheet that has templates for all the steps we just covered. It is your turn. What is your number 1 financial goal for 2026? Shout it out in the comments below for accountability. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more no-nonsense money tips. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.